What's up, YouTube? Alright, my username's Halo9684, and I ride BMX. The bike I'm riding right now is a nitrous Eastern piston. I bought it off Dan's comp. You can see right there, nitrous piston bike. Pretty good bike. Holds up a lot for me. Sometimes I get flats, but not all the time. I used to ride Diamondback section, which is over there, but I'll do that in another video. I ride a 25 tooth and a 9-tooth driver in the back, rear casket, so it's not freewheel. That's pretty much it for my bike check. 7.5 high-rise bars, front load stem, nitrous fork, Eastern pedals. They're really good. They're plastic. That's how I like them. Chains tight. Ride like that. Everything's all Eastern. I ride brakeless, and that's pretty much it.